The entire concept of Vrex is to be able to communicate construction projects in a way that everyone can understand. Vrex lets you step into the project models and discuss any solutions or problems just like it has already been built. The main objective is simple: ensure the design and solutions are fully validated by the right stakeholders in the best possible way at the earliest possible stage. The reason for that is that changes gets exponentially more expensive as the project progresses, with a drastic increase once construction starts. It's very challenging to consider usability, safety, compliance, operations, and long-term efficiency and business goals based on a digital model. And it becomes nearly impossible if you don't work with construction projects on the daily basis, which is the case for most people who needs to have a say about design and solutions of industrial construction projects. Traditionally, there are only two ways to discuss a construction project. Either you do a group review with one person driving the model, and the rest of the group are passive observers. This can be done in a big screen meeting room or virtually through Teams or Zoom. You take turns asking the driver of the model what you need to see and providing your insights. This is not a good way for anyone to get a good understanding of the project or to facilitate good discussions. Feedback gets fragmented or left out completely. The other option is to facilitate stakeholder site reviews once the construction site has been properly established. Even though the right stakeholders are often part of the process, they don't fully grasp the project until they're able to go physically on site. That's when spatial issues, workflow clashes, or usability problems finally become obvious. But at that point, any changes require costly delays due to demolition, redesign, and rework. Vrex combines the best aspects of both group reviews and site visits. Stakeholders can experience the facility as if it were already built pre-construction, either on a regular screen or through full-scale immersive walkthroughs. Understanding becomes intuitive, even for those without engineering or construction backgrounds. No prior experience with 3D models or construction is needed. This bridges the gap between proposed solutions and the project team's understanding, so that everyone is better suited to provide their insight and expertise to the project. Vrex changes how cross-functional teams collaborate. Everyone joins the same session and engages in real time across roles like operations and maintenance, engineering, HSE, management, and end users. Each person explores what's relevant to them, which shifts reviews from passive observation to active participation. Getting everything right, pre-construction is critical to a smooth project execution. A McKinsey report showed that 5 to 20% of project budgets are used for changes during construction, and that most of these are caused by miscommunication. And that also results in only 30% of assets owners being fully satisfied with the new facilities they built. Both these problems can be addressed by giving the right stakeholder better insight into the project in the early stages of the project. By using Vrex, our customers say they get a better understanding across the project team, and by that, they achieve better discussions. More precise feedback are gathered from stakeholders and resources. That is exactly what enables them to make more informed decisions early on, which proves itself through less change orders and less delays during the construction phase. Ultimately, the core value from achieving a better early-stage project insight is that the projects are able to transition into full production faster due to a shortened construction phase with less problems. If it's a brownfield project, you are able to shorten down the extremely costly disruption of live environments. And you will be able to build smarter assets that will be built for long-term efficiency, productivity, and reliable operations for many years to come.